Welcome back, dear students. We are going to start the last chapter of Patente B, which is chapter number 25. Chapter number 25 will make you an expert of different parts of your car, which are essential, which should be known by you whenever you drive your vehicle. First of all, it will talk about uso, the use, and manutenzione and maintenance the pneumatici of tires. It will talk about the use and maintenance of tires. Then it will talk about freni. Freni mean the brakes. How does the braking system work and how ABS types of brake they work, different types of brake, and how should you check the system of brakes will also be taught to you. In the third part, suspensione, the suspension, the part of the frame, the part of your car which supports the weight, which accepts the load of your vehicle is called suspensione, the suspension. It is a full system, okay, and it is very important for your smooth driving of vehicle. It will be described. Then amortizzatori are shock absorbers. They absorb different type of shocks. Then Saterso, the steering, Scarico means the exhaust, controlli, check a cotele and precautions, aderenza mean grip, and stabilita and stability of the vehicle. So these all different parts will be taught in this chapter. Don't be worried, they are very easy, full of information is this chapter. You will become abreast of all these technicalities with just a little focus from your side. It will just require an attention of just a few minutes and then it will be done. Okay. First of all, page 890 is the first page which is going to describe transparency and polizza and cleaning the vetri of the windows. So your windows, they should properly be cleaned. There should not be any stickers. There should not be any stickers so that your vision should become very much clear. You should not use any stickers. Okay. Don't impede, don't halt your vision. And then your wipers, they should also be properly installed, and the tank of washing the windscreen should also have liquid in it. Okay, so these type of things will be described in the page of 890. First of all, there shouldn't be any stickers. You don't use anything, any tape which can halt your visibility, which can limitize, which can compromise your visibility. Don't compromise your visibility. It says that adesivi, stickers, ciondoli, charms o altri oggetti or other objects applied sui vetri on the windows del veicoli of the vehicle. So stickers, charms, and other objects applied on the vehicle possono, they can. So these stickers can they can reduce la visibilità. Yes, they can reduce the visibility of conducente. Yes, they can reduce the visibility of conducente. You should make sure la trasparenza, the transparency, and la polizia and policia, and the cleanliness, the vetri of windows, the finestrini of the vehicle. It guarantees una migliore visibilità. It guarantees major visibility, external visibility. So transparency and cleanliness of the glass of your windows. They guarantee the major external visibility. Yes, when they will be transparent, when your windows and the mirrors they will be clean, then major visibility will be guaranteed. Yes.